Hi guys, I am making this video to help you with speeding up your research and finding keyword specific stories inside Amazon reviews. Now, I keep saying, that research is probably the most important thing when it comes to copywriting, whether you're writing your Facebook ad, whether you're writing your emails, whether you're writing your landing page, research is the most important thing because you are not your customer avatar. To understand your real customer avatar and what is happening in the market, what are their fears, what makes them happy, what makes them frustrated, you have to go and do the research. And Amazon is one of the best places to do research, especially Amazon reviews, because this is where all your buyers are. So I will show you how you can speed up your research. I mean, this can probably save uh, more than 30 minutes or maybe an hour, right? That's how powerful it is. And more importantly, this particular thing, like, how you can find a keyword specific stories, right? So keyword specific stories are, basically when I say keyword specific story, what I mean is, so say you are searching for you're searching for what should I say? You're searching for uh, some I've taken the example of tent here, but say you are searching for some health product which is related to turmeric. Okay, so turmeric maybe capsules, and you want to understand, did it help people with sleeping problems, did it help people with digestion problem? So these are some specific keywords related to turmeric, why people take turmeric capsules and medicines, right? Curcumin medicines or tablets for that example. So really want to find out, did it help them in metabolism, or did it help them with good sleep, did it help them build immunity? So if you want to find out specific stories, if specific reviews related to immunity, related to good health, top thing with turmeric, this particular hack can save again another 30 minutes to 1 hour of your time. So it just takes few clicks, and let me show you how to do this now. All right, so here we go. And this we can do easily through a Chrome extension called Helium 10. It's a free extension. You can just download it, and start using it. So just to save time, I've already searched for a product, say camping tent, right? So you come to this camping tent, and this is where you have all your details and everything. But this is what is of interest to us for doing research, right? So you just go to your extension and then you click on this Helium 10, and uh, yeah, so you're going to get all this thing. Now this can help Amazon affiliate people. It's just an X-ray which talks about how much this product made and average revenue, total revenue, things like this, right? So really helpful for people who are into affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing. But this what is of our interest as copywriter, for somebody who's going to write a Facebook ad copy or maybe just write a landing page. What do we do? So we go to this and review insights. Okay, you have to click on review insights. Why this? Again, before getting into this, understand, when you click on these ratings, you can only see 10 of these, yeah, in this page. So there are 1500. You'll have to probably click this thing for 150 times. That's going to take more than an hour. Then copy paste everything in a Google Doc or somewhere, right? It's a very time consuming and donkey's work, right? It's very, very boring. So what do? You go to this, like I said, you just go to this Helium 10, and yeah, we are just going to wait for this to get enabled, get loaded. Now click on this review insights. You can find, so I want to find all 4-star and 5-star reviews, right? Which constitutes of 88% of the reviews. Good enough, right? So you can choose, I can choose to only pick verified purchases or only helpful ones. So just extract these reviews. It's again going to take some time, not much, but because we have 1500 odd reviews, it's just, pulling up everything. And 729 because these are only from verified purchased buyers. I mean, I really want to read, I really want to understand what the real buyers have to say about this. So, that's why I choose that filter. So you can see all the reviews are here now. Okay. And the good thing is you will get 100 reviews here. There is a setting you can do. You can have 75, 100, whatever. So see, to increase speed, only first 100 reviews shown. So, you have this, you can extract all this if you want. Very easy. So there are 10, here you have 100 options. That's so now I want to, just find out all the reviews which talks about setup, how easy or how difficult it is to set up. So all you can do is control F and talk, just type setup. So I have just one review, very good 10 for this price. Kids love it, looks great, very easy to set up, right? So I have this review. Kids love it. Maybe, kids can also set up. Maybe, that's something you can say, it's my product is so easy to set up that your kids can do it. That suddenly makes it lightweight and a great product to have, right? You don't have to bother about setting it up for your kids. So this is one way. And the other great feature of this particular, I know, really sorry about this line, but so you go to review analysis, it's kind of keyword density. So all the keywords which have been used mostly, like setup has been used 53 times. Easy to set up has been used 32 times. So I can just click on this easy to set up thing and read all the reviews related to easy to set up, right? This just makes things again amazing. So this is what I wanted to tell you, that you can do keyword specific stories search on Amazon reviews using this, right? So you can just find, see, really easy to set up and big inside. It was easy to set up, never been looked at directions, never even looked at directions. Great. You don't have to bother about it. Easy to set up and take down also. Easy to set up, take down, kept my rainstorm. Right? Some stories, a lot of tents and a lot of design on this. Right? Was easy to set up by myself. You alone can do it, So you'll find some tents which are very, very heavy. And if you're going out for camping, you'll have to actually depend on other fellow friends or campers who will set up their own camp and then come and help you. So you really have to depend on those people, and it's great because you can do it yourself. You don't need anybody else, right? So if you can push those things in your copy, it makes people relax, and it makes your copy more persuasive, and people are more likely to buy your product. Okay, so we'll just quickly do another research maybe here, because I said turmeric, uh, maybe let's say curcumin. It's one of the elements of turmeric, curcumin. So all the good benefits of turmeric is actually in curcumin. So let's see, if we have any product which has got a decent amount of reviews. Okay, let's pull in. Yeah, let's just read this 500 odd. This. So similarly, I'll go here and yeah, let it pull all the reviews for us. Let me go by no filters and let me see all the positive and negative reviews this time. Right, so let's Straight away go to very good, very good. Pain relief. So see all the reviews, stories related to pain relief. In a month, I've been using this product, but I haven't felt any pain relief in joints. Negative review, right? Maybe after 2 months, I would feel relief. See, you can always write a copy where you don't have to wait for months to get pain relief from this curcumin product. If that is one of the features that you're offering, right? Fantastic product, pain relief, overall well-being guaranteed. I have not experienced pain relief so far because of high percentage of bioperin. So see, instead of making all the promises, it's not working, right? So you have to tell people that probably this is the problem. It's not the bioperin, which actually helps curcumin to absorb in your body. So these are some technical terms. The more you research, the more you'll understand. Health is something I work extensively on, so I understand about curcumin and bioperin and how exactly it gets resolved. But the point is not that. The point is how you can speed up your Amazon review research process, and cut off at least maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour. That's the bare minimum that you can cut off, because there are some reviews which there are some products which have more than 15,000, 18,000 reviews. Some, like maybe, and especially if you go to US Amazon site, you'll find some products with 15,000 and 30,000 reviews, right? Let's see this particular thing, 11,000 reviews. Now imagine going through all the reviews one by one. So 1100 times you'll have to click on that, and how will you find the actual review? Maybe it's lying somewhere down. So the best way is to just use this Helium extension, which is free, and find all the stories related to particular keywords and speed up your research process. So I hope that this particular video was helpful for you, and this can actually help you to speed up your research and find keyword specific stories. Thank you. Good day.